Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Pradeep Patil and wishing you all a very happy, healthy and safe life. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of goal setting exercise to optimize the performance and productivity in our personal as well as professional lives. Several studies and surveys reveal that the top business leaders across the world pay proper attention on planning, preparation and the goal setting because they believe that once this exercise is completed, the same can be implemented in very easy and smooth manner. Great statesman and 16th President of America, Abraham Lincoln, says that give me 6 hours time to chop down a tree and I will spend first 4 sharpening the axe. While saying so, he actually underscores the importance of goal setting to fulfill the dreams, desires, aspirations and objectives in our personal as well as professional lives. There are several types of goal setting exercises, but today we will focus on 2 effective goal setting theories. First is known as SMART goal setting theory, SMART. Our goals must be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and moreover it should be completed in time-bound manner. According to the Parkinson law, work expands to fill the time available for its completion. So the time stipulation must be there to keep motivated the persons. Second theory was given by famous researcher and psychologist Dr. Edwin Luke. He articulated this principle in 1968. According to Dr. Edwin Luke, there are 5 basic parameters which can be helpful to achieve the goals in effective manner. First is clarity. Our goals must be clear and transparent. Second is commitment. Despite the obstacles and adversities, the commitment should be high. It should not be diluted in any case. Third is challenging. Our goals must be challenging. It will help us to reveal our inherent strength, innovation and the creativity. Easy goals cannot be helpful to grow the person in his career. As famous Renaissance artist Michelangelo says that the greater danger for most of us lies in not in setting too high aim and falling short, but in setting too low and achieving the mark. Next is task complexity. Our bigger goals should be divided in multiple parts because the small goals will help the person to achieve the goals in easy manner. Moreover, it will be helpful to keep the person motivated. And fifth is feedback. There should always be a feedback system. An effective feedback system can be helpful the person to review, revise, modify and change the strategy according to the requirement. Despite the goal setting exercises, it is not easy to always achieve the goal in proper manner. One mantra should always be kept in our mind and the mantra is never give up. Let me quote legendary basketball player Michael Jordan, who says that I have lost almost 300 games in my career. I have missed more than 9,000 shots during the game. 26 times I have trusted to take the game winning shot and I missed. I failed over and over and over again, and that is why I have succeeded. So always try and fail, but never fail to try. With this, wishing you all success in your endeavor. Thank you very much.